What's up, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. Behind us we have our GSF, and Santa Claus came. Here we have a Novel Racing front splitter and hardware, and we also have some TOMS Racing carbon fiber mirror caps. So this is the first car I've ever owned that actually came with real carbon fiber. You'll see my lower bumper here has a nice carbon fiber trim piece. And then inside of the car, we are trimmed with some very nice carbon fiber bits. And then we have this beautiful carbon fiber rear spoiler. So we're going to build on that carbon fiber look, and we're slowly but surely going to be adding all of the carbon fiber that we possibly can to this car. So I do like the way the Novel Racing lip looks, so that's what I went ahead and ordered. That's going to go on the front bumper. The mirror caps obviously are going to go on the mirrors, and then eventually we're going to do the side skirts, the rear spoiler, or the rear diffuser, and the side spats, all from Novel Racing. And we're going to make this thing look sweet. I don't want to slam it because I want to be able to drive it without the fenders rubbing, and I don't want to roll the fenders because I don't want to risk the paint cracking or anything like that. So the next best thing we can do is add some ground effects, make the car sit a little bit lower that way, and that with the closed wheel gap and the silver. I love silver and I love carbon fiber. They play off of each other really well. So we're going to start here with the mirror caps. They look super simple. The problem is all of the directions here are in Japanese. So we're going to have to use some sort of a Google translator or something like that to go ahead and translate these directions and then take it from there. Alright guys, so these are our carbon fiber mirror covers. They look phenomenal, and they come pre-installed with double-sided tape. So I just went ahead and basically translated those directions from Japanese to English. I'm going to drop that in the video right now. But what we're basically going to do is go ahead and give this a test fit, just to make sure that everything fits as it should. And then what they tell you to do in the directions is to go ahead and mark with masking tape exactly where you want them to sit. But I really don't think that that is absolutely necessary, because this is only going to fit one way. It is just going to be a little bit tricky to get it the way you want it with how this double-sided tape is situated. Now they also give us a primer here that they want you to go ahead and clean the edge of the mirrors with, and then you got to let it dry for like 10 minutes before you stick these on there. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and spray these down with some glass cleaner and then clean them really nice. That way there's no debris or anything on here, so that we can go ahead and slide these on. So all we're using here is some glass cleaner and a microfiber. I will go ahead and leave some of this stuff in the video description below. I like using glass cleaner because it's very good at removing oil and debris from surfaces. So we're just going to make sure that this whole area that this mirror is going to, or this cover is going to sit, is very clean. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and clean the other side, and then we'll be back with you. Alright guys, so what we're going to do here is we're just going to look and see exactly where this double-sided tape is going to go, which is basically the whole perimeter here of the mirror. We're going to rub this adhesion promoter all along that area. Okay. We're going to let it sit and dry for about 10 minutes. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, so this stuff should be dry now. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to start pulling the cover here, the covering, for some of this 3M tape. Now I don't want to pull it completely off. I do just want it to the point where I'll be able to get to it. Because what we're going to want to do is set this mirror on, get it set to the way we want it, and then we're going to go ahead and pull the tape completely off. So you'll see I'm just kind of getting everything ready here so that it will come off once we set it. Like so. Now we are just going to very carefully get ready to slide it into place. And when we get it to where we think it needs to be, we can go ahead and start removing the double-sided tape backing, as you see us doing right now. Beautiful. Now we're just going to go ahead and apply some pressure here onto the mirror to make sure that it is set. I'm going to take my zipper off so I do not damage the cover. All right, this looks really good. Let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, guys, we got both sides done. So now what they tell you to do is to go ahead, make sure that the covers do not interfere with your mirrors opening or closing. And it would appear that we're in good shape. So we're just gonna go ahead, again, now that they are closed, and just find all the little areas here that they might be not sticking completely, and we're just going to go ahead and apply some pressure to them to go ahead and seat that adhesive. Again, let's come over here really quick. Let you see this side. All right, I'm going to do the same thing. You just go ahead and press to make sure that everything here is good. I'm gonna go ahead and call that done. All right, guys. So this is the final product. They came out awesome. There's the driver's side. There's passenger side. So definitely stay tuned. We do have some more carbon fiber goodies that we are going to be installing on this car, including this novel racing front lip spoiler and a couple of other goodies. So like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.